Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making cozy roasted chestnuts right at home and showing you simple steps to get them perfect every time. Let's get started. The cozy scent of roasted chestnuts is a hallmark of the winter season that instantly brings back memories of holiday markets and snowy evenings. While this treat might seem like something you only find at street stalls or high-end bistros, they're surprisingly simple to prepare in your own kitchen. Chestnuts offer a culinary experience unlike any other nut because they have a starchy, potato-like texture and a gentle, sweet flavor. Once you learn a few basic techniques, you can transform these hard brown shells into a warm, buttery snack that everyone will love. Picking the best chestnuts at the grocery store. Finding high-quality chestnuts is the first step toward a successful roast because their shelf life is much shorter than most of their nutty relatives. You should look for them during their peak season, which typically runs from October through December. When you're standing in the produce aisle, focus on how the nuts feel in your hand more than just how they look. Fresh chestnuts should feel heavy for their size and have a bright, shiny brown shell. If the nut feels light or you can feel a large gap between the shell and the meat inside, it's likely dried out. Avoid any nuts that show signs of green or black mold on the surface or have tiny pinholes, as those are exit wounds from pests. Since chestnuts contain more water and starch than oils, they can spoil easily if not stored correctly at the store. If you can't roast them immediately, keep them in a perforated bag in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. This keeps them fresh for a few extra days until you're ready to start your holiday cooking. Preparing your chestnuts for the oven. Preparation is the most important part of the process because it ensures the nuts cook evenly and remain safe to eat. If you toss whole chestnuts directly into a hot oven, the moisture inside will turn to steam and cause them to explode. Proper preparation turns a potential kitchen mess into a relaxing afternoon of baking. How to score the shell safely. You must create a vent in the shell before roasting by scoring the nut with a sharp blade. It's best to use a specialized chestnut cutter, but a sharp paring knife or a serrated blade works just as well. Hold the chestnut firmly on a flat surface and carefully carve a large X on the rounded side of the shell. Make sure your cut is deep enough to pierce through the tough outer shell and the bitter, papery skin underneath. This allows the steam to escape and makes the shell peel back widely during the cooking process. If you find the nuts are too slippery to handle safely, you can secure them in the bowl of a spoon to keep your fingers out of the way of the blade. Now you know how to pick, prepare, and roast chestnuts the right way. Get ready to enjoy this cozy treat at home. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.